Good morning, students. I hope you remember my name, but still, once again, I am Indrakshi Samanta Das. You can call me Indrakshi teacher, and I'm going to take your English class. Okay. So, today, we are going to do a very interesting and a very simple thing to start with. Patterns. हम लोग patterns से शुरू करेंगे. Why pattern is important? Pattern is important because ये हमें alphabets और numbers लिखने में बहुत help करेंगे. If you know how to make the patterns correctly, you will be able to write any number or any letter very easily. There are 4 basic patterns. I'll show you. Patterns are standing line, sleeping line, 2 types of curves and 2 types of slanting lines. So these are the 4 basic patterns. अगर हमें पता है ना कि ये patterns कैसे बनाना है, हम कोई भी नंबर या कोई भी अल्फ़ाबेट बहुत आराम से लिख सकते हैं. आज हम शुरू करेंगे with the most simple one, standing line. This is called a standing line. I'm sure आप लोगों ने नंबर 1 तो देखा होगा, right? है ना, देखा है ना. तो अगर आप लोगों ने नंबर 1 देखा है तो you will see that the standing line looks like number 1. हम जैसे standing line बनाते ठीक वैसे ही हम number 1 भी लिखते हैं. मतलब before going deep into this, let's understand what is standing. I mean, what does this word standing means? Standing is a position. जैसे like in a classroom, if your teacher asks you to stand up, what you do? क्या करते हो आप लोग? आप लोग खड़े हो जाते हो. Suppose you're sitting on a chair और suddenly आपको teacher बोलते हैं you please stand up, तो आप लोग क्या करते हो? तुरंत आप लोग खड़े हो जाते हो. तो that's a position. Like me, look at me, I am standing right now, so I am in a standing position. So if you see me right now, it's just the position like in a vertical position. This is basically the vertical position. आप लोग vertical इतना difficult तो समझेंगे नहीं, but just keep this in mind. Standing line is like when the teacher asks you to stand up, that position is same as our standing line. For example, see this chalk. ठीक है, ये चौक को हम ऐसे पकड़ सकते, ऐसे पकड़ सकते, ऐसे भी पकड़ सकते हैं और ऐसे भी पकड़ सकते. When we are holding this chalk in this position, this chalk is looking like a standing line. Yes, so what's the pattern? Repeat after me. It's standing line. Now let's see another example, okay? Look at this straw, this orange straw, okay? If I hold it in this position, is it am I making a standing line? ये क्या standing line pattern बुला सकते हैं हम इसको? No, फिर ये sleeping line हो जाते हैं. We'll come to it in our next video. But this is not a standing line क्योंकि ये line तो मतलब ये straw तो सो गया. हम लोग रात को कैसे सोते हैं? बेड पे सो जाते हैं ना. सो सिमिलरली ये स्ट्रॉ तो सो गया, ये खड़ा नहीं है. अभी टीचर इस स्ट्रॉ को बोलेगी प्लीज स्टैंड अप, तो देखो straw खड़ी हो गई. So this straw right now at this position, this straw is looking like a standing line. Yes. Next we'll see the example of a scale. Yes, the scale. If I'm holding the scale in this position, the scale is looking like a standing line. Yeah, but if I'm holding the scale in this position, it is not a standing line. ये तो हिल गया, ये तो हिला हुआ है, ये खड़ा नहीं है, तो हम इसको स्टैंडिंग लाइन नहीं बुलाएंगे. लेकिन अगर हम इसको ऐसे सीधा पकड़ते हैं, in that case we can say that yes, this ruler right now it is in a standing position. Now let's see how to write standing line. आप लोगों की नोटबुक में, इंग्लिश नोटबुक में ऐसे 4 लाइन्स दिया हुआ रहेगा। ऊपर एक रेड लाइन, नीचे और एक रेड लाइन और बीच में 2 ब्लू लाइन्स। लिखते टाइम प्लीज़ पे अटेंशन और ये ध्यान में रखिएगा कि किसी भी तरह से आप लोग जब लिख रहे हो ये लाइन, ये ब्लू लाइन को क्रॉस करके उसके नीचे नहीं आना चाहिए। ओके, सो आई विल टेल योर मॉम एंड डैड, मैं मम्मा पापा को बोलूँगी प्लीज़ 2 डॉट दे दीजिए, 1 ऑन दी रेड लाइन एंड दी अदर 1 ऑन दी सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन। मैं मम्मा पापा को बोलूँगी ओके, 2 डॉट्स दे देंगे और फिर आप लोगों को कैसे लिखना है, फ्रॉम दिस डॉट to this dot you need to join these 2 dots and make a standing line, but please make sure not to cross this blue line। हम ये blue line के नीचे बिल्कुल नहीं आएंगे, this is our limit। okay, so let's make it once again, from this red line to the second blue line we are going to make a line like this and it makes a स्टैंडिंग लाइन। मैं चौक कैसे पकड़ी हूँ, ऐसे पकड़ी हूँ, लेकिन आप लोग जब पेंसिल पकड़ोगे कैसे पकड़ोगे, आप लोग ये 3 फिंगर्स का टिप यूज करेंगे और पेंसिल को ऐसे पकड़ेंगे। मम्मा पापा कहाँ पे डॉट देंगे, एक डॉट रहेगा रेड लाइन के ऊपर और एक डॉट रहेगा ब्लू लाइन के ऊपर। तो आप लोगों को कैसे करना है, इस तरह से पेंसिल पकड़ना है और ये डॉट में पेंसिल बिठा के 2 डॉट्स को जोड़ के आप लोगों को स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है। अगर आप लोग फिर भी नहीं बना पा रहे हो फॉर एनी रीज़न, मैं मम्मा पापा को क्या बोलूँगी पता है, कि आप लोग ना डॉट्स दे दो। प्लीज़ आप बच्चे लोगों को बिल्कुल परेशान मत करो, ज़्यादा डांटो मत। मम्मा पापा ना आप लोगों को डॉट्स दे देंगे और ये डॉट्स को ट्रेस करके आप लोग इस तरह से स्टैंडिंग लाइन बना सकते हो। बट प्लीज़ मम्मा पापा को मत बोलना कि हाथ पकड़ के मुझे लिखाओ, याद रहेगा ना। और एक बार प्रैक्टिस करें। यस, सो कहाँ से शुरू करना है, फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन, और कहाँ पे ख़त्म करना है, टिल द सेकेंड ब्लू लाइन। सो स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द रेड लाइन till the second blue line we need to make a straight line। याद रखना ऐसा टेढ़ा मेढ़ा मत बनाना, हाँ ऐसे ऐसे मत बनाना, तो फिर स्टैंडिंग लाइन नहीं होगा, फिर वो जिगजैग लाइन हो जाएगा, फिर वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा, फिर टीचर स्टार नहीं देगी। आप लोगों को स्ट्रेट लाइन बना के स्टैंडिंग लाइन बनाना है। ओके, याद रहेगा ना। एक दिखाती हूँ, व्हाट इज दिस, कैन एनीवन से, यस दिस इज अ पेंसिल। आप लोग यूज़ करते हो ना पेंसिल ड्राइंग करने के लिए, लिखने के लिए। क्या मुझे बता सकता है कि ये पेंसिल अभी स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन में है या स्लीपिंग पोजीशन में है या फिर स्लैंडिंग पोजीशन में है, एनीवन? Yes, this pencil is in a standing position. So right now, this pencil looks like a standing line. Perfect, very good. वेरी गुड चिल्ड्रेन, आई एम श्योर आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से करोगे। सो हमेशा याद रखना, जब भी कोई चीज़ खड़ी हो तो उसको स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन बोलते हैं। सो अभी हमारा ये लाइन यहाँ पे अभी खड़ी है, सो वी विल कॉल इट अ स्टैंडिंग लाइन। ओके चिल्ड्रेन, तो आप लोग सब अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस करना। मैंने आप लोगों को जो जो चीज़ बताया वो सब दिमाग में रख के कीप ऑल दोज रूल्स इन योर माइंड एंड प्रैक्टिस स्टैंडिंग लाइन एट होम। इंटरैक्टिव सेशन में मैं देखने वाली हूँ हाँ आप लोगों ने कैसे लिखा है। सो नो चीटिंग, मम्मा पापा से बिल्कुल हेल्प नहीं मांगना है। अगर नहीं लिख पा रहे हो तो डॉट्स के ऊपर ट्रेस करना, बट प्लीज़ डोंट आस्क हेल्प from your mom and dad, okay? No cheating. Take care of yourself. Chalo, bye bye. Hey kids, I'm back again with a new video. I am Indrakshi Samantadas. You can call me Indrakshi teacher. So today also we are going to learn something that is related to English. Sorry, I may be wrong. I might be a little wrong here. This patterns that we are going to learn today, it's not only related to English but also related to numbers as well. Because as I told you that these patterns will not only help you to write alphabets but will also help you to write numbers. So if you remember, in the last session we have done standing line. Does anyone remember how we make standing line? look at the scale. Look at the scale. Right now it's in a standing position. ये अभी standing position में है. मैंने इस scale को खड़ा रखा है. It is standing right now. So our standing line looks like this. Our standing line looks like this. Like this. One straight line, a vertical line from up to down. How to make a standing line? We hold our pencil and we make a straight vertical line from up to down. And if you remember, अगर आप लोग को याद है तो मैंने कहा था that we start writing this from the red line that is at the top till the second blue line that is lying here in between. हम कहाँ से शुरू करते हैं? हम शुरू करते हैं इस red line से जो सबसे ऊपर है and we stretch the line till the second blue line. But always keep this in mind, we are not going to cross this blue line. हम इस blue line को cross नहीं करेंगे. So while making the standing line or any patterns, just keep this in mind, we will have to use only these three lines while writing any pattern or while making any pattern or writing any alphabet. Okay? Today we are going to learn the second basic pattern. The second basic pattern, अगर आप लोगों को याद है तो मैंने उस दिन बोर्ड पे कुछ basic patterns बनाए थे. One was standing line, the other was sleeping line. There were two curves and then we had forward and backward slashes which we call slanting line. That's correct. हम उस दिन कुछ basic patterns बनाए थे blackboard में like standing line, sleeping line, two curves and then forward and backward slashes. Yes, forward and backward slashes जिसको हम slanting lines बोलते हैं. Yes, we call it slanting lines. So we are already done with our standing line. Today we are going to learn how to make a sleeping line. आज हम सीखेंगे sleeping line कैसे बनाते हैं. Standing line बनाना थोड़ा सा difficult था. It was difficult to make a standing line because you needed to make a line that is straight by using these three lines. But making sleeping line is very very easy. It's very easy. बहुत simple है sleeping line बनाना. You know why? Because ये जो blue line है ना, हम उसी के ऊपर एकदम सीधा सीधा एक line बनाएंगे और वैसे हमारा sleeping line बन जाएगा. So now let's see what is sleeping line. We'll see that first. This is standing line because our scale is standing. Now देखो हमारा ये जो scale है इसको बहुत नींद आ गया, ये खड़े खड़े थक गया, अभी इसको सोना है तो ये ऐसे सो गया. ये ऐसे सो गया जैसे हम रात को सोते हैं. हम कैसे सोते हैं रात को? We lie down on our bed, right? We lie down on our bed. मम्मा पापा के पास हम सो जाते हैं. तो ये स्केल को भी नींद आ गया और ये सो गया. So this is how our sleeping line looks. This is the pattern of sleeping line. Right now our scale is looking like a sleeping line. Right now our scale is looking like a sleeping line. Okay, now we are going to use one more example. We are going to see this pencil. This is a pencil, that's correct. If I'm holding it in this way, it's looking like a standing line. लेकिन अभी इस पेंसिल को भी नींद आ गया और ये इसको अभी सोना है तो हमारा पेंसिल को निन्नू आ गया और वो सो गया. तो this pencil is looking like a sleeping line. Yes, it's lying down on the bed and it's looking like a sleeping line. So this is how our sleeping line looks. Okay, so now let's see how to make a sleeping line in the notebook. Okay, this is how our English notebook looks like. I'll again repeat. यहाँ पे 4 lines होता है in 2 different colors. At the top we have this red line, in between we have 2 blue lines and at the bottom we have a red line. Just as I have explained, we will be using only these 3 lines and we are not going to cross. हम इस blue line को cross नहीं करेंगे, so keep that in mind. So slipping line, making slipping line is very easy. I'll ask your mom and dad to give 2 dots like this. We are going to give 2 dots on the second blue line so that you know, आप लोगों को पता होगा from where to start and where to end. So ऐसे 2 dots रहेगा. We'll start from this dot, the first dot, and we are going to make a straight horizontal line on the blue line. हम एक horizontal line बनाएंगे blue line के ऊपर. Please kids, don't make a zigzag line. Be very careful. हमें पेंसिल को अच्छे से पकड़ना है by using the tips of these 3 fingers. हम ऐसे नहीं पकड़ेंगे पेंसिल को. Many of you have this habit of holding the pencil like this. Please do not do that, because in that case you will have trouble in writing. Don't do that. Use the tips of these 3 fingers. Practice again and again. आप लोगों को अगर problem हो रहा है तो you need to practice more and more and hold the pencil like this by using the tips of these 3 fingers. Hold it like this. Suppose you have these 2 dots. मम्मा ने अगर दिया है तो ये जो फर्स्ट डॉट है इसके ऊपर हमें पेंसिल को बिठाना है और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाना है, जिगजैग नहीं बनाना है. कीप दिस इन माइंड. स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाना है ऑन दिस ब्लू लाइन. और एक बात देखें, सो you've already seen how we have made these 3 lines. I'm going to show you again. मैं फिर से दिखाती हूँ, अच्छे से देखना. Okay, please pay attention kids. ऐसे मम्मा will give you 2 dots like this. ऐसे देंगे, मम्मा को बोलना मम्मा डॉट दो, टीचर ने कहा है. और फिर हम पेंसिल को ऐसे पकड़ेंगे, यहाँ पे ऐसे बिठाएंगे और एक स्ट्रेट लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे लाइक दिस. इज इट विजिबल टू यू? इज इट विजिबल टू यू किडोज? यस, लाइक दिस. आप लोग भी जब लिखोगे ना, प्रेस द पेंसिल हार्ड एंड राइट इट. Press it hard and write it. शुरू में आप लोगों को प्रॉब्लम होगा. I know it happens every year with all the kids, so don't worry if you're not able to do it, but at least try. मैं यहाँ पे और एक बात दिखाती हूँ. If it is not that much visible because I'm writing it on the blue line, so I'll show it to you again. ऐसे मम्मा को बोलना है कि मम्मा मुझे 2 dots दो. Without dots I'm not going to write. Say that to your mom. And then from this first dot to the second dot, you just need to make a straight horizontal line. ऐसे बनाना है. ओके, ऐसे 2 dots रहेगा और ऐसे एक straight line बनाना है. This is sleeping line because this line is sleeping. It's very simple. That's how we make sleeping line. So I hope आप लोगों को मतलब याद है. फिर भी मैं और एक बार रिवाइज कर रही हूँ. When the line is standing, जब ये खड़ा है, we call it standing line. जब हम स्कूल में प्रेयर करते हैं, we stand still. We call that, if the line is standing still, we call that standing line. But if the line is sleeping, if it is lying down on the bed and if it is sleeping, we call it sleeping line. So we have learned 2 patterns. हमने 2 patterns सीख लिया है already. One is the standing line and the other one is the sleeping line. I have a wooden slate. See? You might be having at your home. So I have a wooden slate. I'm going to show you how to make a sleeping line. So see, I have a wooden slate with me. I'm going to show you how to make a sleeping line. It's very simple. I told you, hold your pencil like this. Hold it like this. And from the first dot to the second dot, you need to make a straight line like this. Again, I'm going to show you from the first dot to the second dot, you need to make a line like this. फिर से दिखाओ. फर्स्ट जो डॉट है वहाँ से शुरू करके ये सेकंड डॉट तक हमें ऐसा एक स्ट्रेट लाइन बनाना है ऑन द ब्लू लाइन दिस वे. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू some homework. ज़्यादा नहीं दूंगी, थोड़ा दूंगी, so that you can practice at home. और फिर मैं पूछूंगी किसने कैसे किया है. So please practice at home. I'm sure आप लोगों को ये पैटर्न बहुत जल्दी बहुत अच्छे से आ जाएगा. So keep practicing at home. Take care of yourself until we meet again. Bye. Hello children, good morning. I hope you all remember me. I am your Indrakshi teacher. Today again we are going to do patterns because हम अभी तक patterns पूरी तरह से सीखे नहीं हैं. Till now we have only done standing line and sleeping line. Yes, standing line and sleeping line. Today we are going to learn a new pattern. Yes, a new pattern. As you can see, I have drawn 4 lines on the blackboard like this. So today we are going to learn slanting lines. There are 2 types of slanting lines. There are 2 types of slanting lines. Okay, so today we are going to learn slanting lines. So first see, what is slanting line? We have learned this, like if I hold the straw this way, this is a standing line. If I hold the straw this way, this looks like a standing line. Now we can even hold the straw in this way. If I hold the straw in this way, it looks like sleeping line. That's correct. If I hold the straw in this line, it looks like a sleeping line. But if I hold the straw in this way, then what would you call it? It's neither a standing line nor a sleeping line. ये straw थोड़ा सा टेढ़ा है, सीधा भी खड़ा नहीं है और सोया हुआ भी नहीं है. So we'll call it slanting line. Now there are 2 types of slanting line, as you can see. मैं straw को ऐसे भी पकड़ सकती हूँ and I can even hold it this way. I can even hold it this way. So both are correct, like both are slanting lines. We can draw them in both the ways. So if a line looks like this, we call that a slanting line. Even if a line looks like this, we'll call it a slanting line. So we have 2 types of slanting lines. Yes, we have 2 types of slanting line. Now let's see how to make a slanting line. See, our English notebook looks like this, as you all know. Again, I'm going to repeat. It has 4 lines, 2 red lines, and then we have 2 blue lines in between. So what you will have to do, you will have to start writing from the red line that is at the top. We are not going to cross this blue line, the second blue line that we are not going to cross. So your mama is going to give you 2 dots like this. You will have to hold your pencil this way, put it on the red line, and then draw a slanting line like this. Okay, we'll do it again. Mama is going to give you 2 dots like this. You will have to put your pencil here and then draw a slanting line like this. Okay, this is one type of slanting line. Now see the next pattern. Another can be like this. Your mama is going to give you dots like this, and then you will have to put it here and draw it this way. Yes, we'll do it again. Dots will be given. You need to put your pencil here and draw it this way. Put as much pressure as possible, as much pressure. जितना जोर लगा सकते हो उतना जोर लगा के just draw a line. But while drawing the line, please make sure कि वो zigzag ना हो जाए. It should be as much straight as possible, but it should be a little tilted. Okay. So this is the new pattern that we are going to learn. In case if you are not able to do it, please ask your mom and dad to give you dots. They can even give dots like this. You just have to trace. It's easy. So initially, if you are not able to make it, just ask your mama, papa to give you dots, and then you can just trace it. So keep practicing at home. In the next video, we'll come up with a new pattern. So till then, keep practicing. Take care of yourself. Bye. Hello kids, good morning. I'm back again with a new video. I'm your Indrakshi teacher. Well, we have already learned almost all the patterns. Standing line, sleeping line, and 2 types of slanting lines. Yes, we have completed 3 basic patterns. Now only one basic pattern is left, and that is curves. Well, there are 2 types of curves. Yes, there are 2 types of curves. We'll see that today, okay? If you compare with these patterns, writing curve or making curve is a little difficult, but we'll work on it and I'll tell you how to do it so that it becomes easier for you. So let's see. Well, your English notebooks look like this. I'll repeat again. Like at the top we have this red line, in between we have two blue lines, and again at the bottom we have one more red line. So from where do we need to start? Anyone? Yeah? Yes, we need to start from the red line and we'll have to write till this second blue line. We should not cross this second blue line, okay? So please be very careful while writing. So for writing curves, we will be starting from here. That is the red line, that is at the top. So Mama will give you one dot here and the other dot she will be giving here. Okay, what you need to do is you need to put your pencil here and make a curve like this and bring it till this dot that is on the second blue line. Shall we do it again? Yes, Mama is going to give you two dots, one on the red line and the other one on the second blue line, and you need to start from here and make a curve like this till this dot that is given on the second blue line. We call it right curve. We call it right curve. Yes. Now let's see the other type of curve. It's just the opposite of the right curve, okay? Again, it's the same thing. Mama will give you two dots, one on the red line and the other one on the second blue line like this, okay? You need to put your pencil here and make a curve that looks just opposite. Yes, like this. Okay, we'll do it again. Mama will be giving you two dots. You just need to put your pencil here and then make a curve like this. We call it left curve. This is our right curve and this is our left curve. It might be a little difficult for you to remember this right and left, so we'll not go much deeper into the thing. We'll just straight away call them curves, okay? If you remember letter C looks like right curve. Yes, letter C looks like right curve, and while writing letter D we use left curve. That is, we make a standing line first and then we make a left curve, but we'll straight away address them as curves. Well, how to show you? Have you ever seen your ear? Huh? I guess you're not in front of the mirror right now. Well, you can see my ear. My ear looks like curves. In fact, our ears look like curves. See this? Okay, so we call this as right curve. And this is left curve. Right curve, left curve. And how do we write curves? We put our pencil on the dot that is on the red line and then we make a curve like this. If you're finding it difficult to, just rotate and make a curve like this, just remember how do you make circles. How do you make circle? You make a circle like this, right? Like in PG also you have done circle, you have made circle many times. So you just need to make half circle. Remember this. While making circle you draw like this, right? So you make it half and then just leave. You make half circle and leave. That's it. But still, if you're not able to make it, just ask your mama to give you dots like this and you can just trace them this way. Just ask your mama to give you dots like this and you can just trace them. This is one way you can do, or you can just ask your mama to give you two dots and make half circle. So if you remember how to make circle, you just can make half circle and make curves very easily. So keep practicing at home regularly, don't forget. In fact, practice all the patterns. If you're thorough with the patterns, Very easily you can write both the alphabet and the numbers. So keep practicing and take care of yourself. Bye.